This brand is made in China and is available through Amazon. The brand offers basic dumb air purifiers that do not use air quality sensors, and their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. They have 3 stages of filtration with a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon. The M01 model uses a USB-C power cord so it can be used virtually anywhere. It has a 4-speed fan with a 300 square feet coverage area, which makes it perfect for an office environment. The BD02L model has a 1076 square feet coverage area with a 140 CFM delivery rate, while the S0610L model has a 1200 square feet coverage area and a 153 CFM delivery rate. They have a basic filter reminder, but it is simply based on how long the unit operates and does not take into account the quality of the air going through the unit, which will lead to replacing the filters more often than is necessary. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.